Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Let's try with dependent information. Dependent first. Let's see if that works. Let's see if I store it in dependent, and if I have a true-false condition there. Correct. Let's see if that works. So what are we going to do here? Because the reason I chose dependent is because I am going to filter it on the basis of the relationship. Right. The relationship. The relationship is an instance kind of field. And what is it all about? It is called as the relationship of the beneficiary to the employee. For example, spouse, daughter, son, etc. So I will have to do a frequently used in the selection list. And what will be our relationships? Child. That is what we wanted. Isn't it? Right. Isn't it? Correct. So we wanted the relationship to be child. So that is what? Okay. So we have created the calculation. Let's see if we can get it back in our calculator field. Yes, here it is. PFWW. True, false dependent relationship is child. So now we have filtered based on the relationship. Right. We are looking at only children of the worker. Now will it give us the eldest dependent child? This particular calculated field. What do you think? Right. Let's test it out. We don't have to. We cannot be sure. Right. Let's test it out. Let's copy this calculated field and let's go back to our report, which is base speed details report. Let's try to go to custom report and edit. And right after the worker's age, let's include this new field. Still loading. Is it loading? Yeah, here it is. So right after the worker's age, let's add a row. Now again, let me ask you this. Should this new field be in the worker business object or dependent business object? Where did we store it? We stored it in the worker business object. Correct. Because it's an ESI. Worker business object. And we will call it as eldest dependent child. Right. Let's see if it is working. Run. Zero 0.01.0.1 2000 to 12.31 2000. Click OK. OK. Let's look at the data that we have received now. So for Logan McNeil, we have 3 dependents: Pat McNeil, Megan McNeil, Anna Kendrick. The return was the report output in the calculated field return. Return which one? Megan McNeil. Not Pat McNeil. You see why? Because that's the child we selected. That's the child. That's the child in the calculated field. Let's see, okay. Let's see what is Megan. Right. Let's see what is Megan. Just to make sure that Megan is a child. Okay, because Megan has a parent-child relationship with Logan. So Megan is Logan's child, as per the relationship. Let's see that, just to verify that we have the right information right. So it is Megan McNeil. This is the dependent. The relationship is child and related to which? Worker. Logan McNeil. Correct. The age is 22 years, 7 months and 14 days. Right. So we have this information. Megan McNeil is Logan McNeil's child. Right. Similarly, Stefan Schneider. We did not get the information for Gabriella. Gabriella is 53. We are looking for the eldest. Eldest dependent, but not any eldest dependent. Eldest dependent child. Right. So when we looked at the condition, we added a filter criteria there. We said that you have to give me the eldest dependent, but only if it's a child. Right, that is what we have put in as the condition. Okay. Understood what this works. Now can we do one quick trick? Now, if I want to remove the records where we don't have a dependent information, can I filter them out? Very easily. How will I do that? Anybody. How will I filter out the records where we do not have an eldest dependent as a child? Try. Give me the thought. Do I need to go to sub-filter or shall I go to filter? We will go to the filter. Let's go to the filter. Okay. And let's add a row. Let's add a row. And what is the field? Let's look at fields on the report. Shall we be able to see the field on the report? Where is it? Here it is. Eldest dependent child. And what can we see? What is the operator? Is not empty. Can we say it's not empty? Isn't it? So it will filter out the records. Only it will return the records where the eldest dependent child record is not empty. So all those extra records that we had which had no dependents, so that will be purged away now. Our report will look much, much cleaner. Agreed, let's try. Absolutely. So we only have 9 items. Our report is so much cleaner. So here we have Logan McNeil. And then we have Megan. Megan is there. We have Stefan. We have Juan Carlos Serrano, which is Teresa Serrano's child. Right. We have it.